Tired of hard-coding secrets into your Docker containers, leaving your applications vulnerable? Let's explore how to integrate HashiCorp Vault with Docker to revolutionize your secrets management and keep your applications secure. Say goodbye to insecure practices and hello to a safer future. First, you'll need Docker and Docker Compose installed, the foundation for containerizing our setup. We'll need a running Vault server to securely store our secrets, and then we'll create a Docker container to access those secrets. Next, we'll configure Vault. This involves initializing and unsealing Vault. We'll define the authentication method, enabling a service for the Docker container to access the Vault secrets. This authentication setup is crucial to restrict access. Then, we'll populate the Vault with your sensitive data, like API keys. This securely stores your secrets. Vault then acts as your single source of truth for sensitive configuration. We will start by configuring our app container. We will set up a Vault agent as a sidecar in the container. This agent will fetch secrets from Vault based on their authentication. This helps make the entire process smooth and reliable by handling the authentication flows. Docker will read environment variables from the agent, which will communicate with the Vault server, and the application will access these securely. Our application now dynamically accesses these secrets without them ever being stored inside the image. With that, your applications can access secrets on demand, securing all sensitive data. This way, you are well within your journey to creating a secure environment for your containers. Remember, always apply extra levels of security. Keep your secrets safe. Happy containerizing.